Happy holidays! Happy holidays! Hello, welcome to another video on my channel about makeup. Surprise! It is December. We are in full holiday swing, which I love so much. I would have Christmas music playing in the background of this video if it wasn't for copyright. I'm gonna show you two different really fun holiday eye looks for maybe your office party, or maybe for work, or maybe just for your living room to then wash off the second you get a good picture for Instagram, like I'm gonna do. I'm gonna speed through my face routine and just show you the products I'm using so we can devote more time to the actual eye looks. I've got Tatcha as a primer, and I'm gonna throw some Huda Beauty in the color Macchiato on for foundation. Throwing on some Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Medium Sand. I'm gonna quickly throw my brows on with the Benefit Precisely My Brow. I'm going to add a step today and carve out my brows using concealer. This is gonna start to give me a little more of a base for all of my eyeshadow and make that eyebrow really sharp. I'm also gonna take that concealer and put it all over my eyelids, and that's gonna be an eyeshadow base for me today. Well, it didn't take me very long to get completely annoyed with my hair. Now I'm gonna do a very heavy bake because I wanna protect my skin from any potential fallout of eyeshadow. A lot of people like to do their eyes before foundation if they're doing something a little bit more, exciting with the eyeshadow. I've just always preferred to clean up afterwards than to do my eyeshadow first. I don't know, I've done it both ways. It's just not how I roll. For the main event, I'm going to use this new palette. It's James Charles from Morphe. James Charles is a YouTuber. The whole campaign behind the palette is that this is the only palette you'll ever need forever. You can create literally any eye look with this, and I think it's probably true. There's not really any colors that I would want extra in here, so that's great. I mean, maybe some more glitters. The first eye we're gonna do is a Christmas lights eye. I'm gonna do a very subtle base for my Christmas lights. I'm gonna start with, the classic warm tone. Do a little crease action here. This brown is gonna kind of be like the roof of the house. Not that I'm gonna make my whole eye a house, but it is gonna have Christmas lights up here. I'm gonna take a combination of some of these shimmers here and pull those down my eyelid. A way to make shimmer eyeshadows pop is to load your brush up with your shimmer and then spray it with a setting spray. And that'll just make the shimmers more, oh yeah, see, instantly more shimmery. That's what I was missing. I like to spray the brush after I've dipped into the shadow because I don't want to ruin the eyeshadow with a wet brush. Yeah, so that's gonna be the base. So now I have the tattoo liner from Kat Von D, and I think that, yeah, that'll be good. So I'm gonna start here. Let's see, here we go. Yeah, so that's gonna be my Christmas lights. That was easy. Wow, sorry, I didn't really do a tutorial on what I was doing. I just kind of went for it, and I like it. That's what it's gonna be. Now I'm taking the tiniest little brush. I think it's supposed to be for your lips, like a lip liner brush, but look how cute it is, so small. Start doing my colors for the lights. So I'm gonna do like all sorts of different colors, not just red and green. And there's one bulb. I'm gonna do the old spray trick for this, just to get some more pigment. Yeah, there we go. Wipe that brush off. Blue bulb. I'm gonna go in with like these two orangey ones. Yeah, there we go. Orange, nice. Okay, I went ahead and finished all the lights off camera because it was taking forever. And look at my hand. Now a real makeup artist would have, had a brush cleaner or 85 different one of these little brushes. But I did this between each application and it worked just fine, okay? It worked fine. I mean, like, now there's a photo op, So now that I have the lights on the string, I can go in with a little more detail. So I'm taking my favorite eyeliner from NYX. This is a liquid, whoa! Okay, so we'll be careful. Very carefully go back over that line, just in places where it was too thin. I'm gonna do a little black line in the middle of each light to show that the lights are connected, because right now it's just a line with dots. So we really want to make it look like it's lights. So just a tiny little line. See what I'm up to? Cute! And now to really make this shine bright like lights, I have a glitter eyeliner. And in the center, actually it's too hard to do it that way. And in the center of each light, a little bit of glow. If you didn't have a glitter eyeliner,
what are you doing?
Yeah, that makes such a difference. So now I'm gonna attempt to put on fake lashes. I am so bad at fake lashes. It's pretty unbelievable, actually. I'm gonna throw a little bit of liner down, just a quick little line of liner just to have something for the lashes to sit on. I have this lash here. I've put some glue on it. I heard that you're supposed to let the glue get tacky before you put them on. And I've also heard that it's very helpful to look down while you're doing it. So wish me luck here. Whoa. Okay, that's not bad. It's always that stupid little corner that doesn't want to work. For the final touch, I'm going to, first of all, wipe away the bake on this side. And then with another little small brush, I'm going to take some of that really pretty red, do a little waterline, and then on the other side of my eye, kind of connect it together with some green. And then just marry those together in the middle here. And then, of course, no eye look is complete without a little bit of pop of shimmer in that inner corner. Oh my gosh, it just brings it to the next level. And there is the Christmas light eye all complete. Moving on over to the next eye, this one is going to be a candy cane winged liner. So that's very fun. So all I'm gonna do for the base of this is some shimmers and things. I don't want to do too much because I want the candy cane to really pop and be the main source of attention. Jump into this pretty shimmer over here and just start kind of throwing it everywhere, pulling it up into the brow bone. I'm gonna take my angled brush here and go into this white color. Start throwing the white onto eye where the wing is gonna go. Okay, so far that's not working. Let's give it another try. Okay, so that clearly didn't work. So I'm gonna just throw a little bit of concealer down because maybe this white just needs a really good base, and I put shimmer eyeshadow on. And so then that white eyeshadow was like, what the heck? Okay, I'm gonna let that dry for a second. All right, so I've been at this for a really long time, but I am very committed to making this work. So I'm just like loading the brush up and pressing the white on. And you can see that it's starting to get white. It's going. We have quite a bit of white fallout, but it won't matter because I have that bake on there. Off camera, I discovered the best way to get the white eyeshadow on is with your finger. And then I'm gonna use a Q-tip to clean up and get the shape that I want. So I think the lesson here is if you're gonna do anything with white, make it a white eyeliner, not a white eyeshadow. So with the Q-tip that has makeup remover on it, I am using it like an eraser, erase all of the shadow that I don't want to reveal the shape of the wing. That will then be the candy cane. Wow, we made it. I didn't think we were going to, and we did, and I'm so happy because I really did want to do this look. So, moving on! We're gonna go into, you guessed it, the red color. So I've got the red. I'm gonna kind of outline where I want the stripes first. And now I can go in with an even skinnier brush and make it way more defined. So the eyeshadow on top of eyeshadow isn't quite working that well, so I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick. This is a Jeffree Star another YouTuber, a Jeffree Star Cosmetics lipstick. These are vegan, which means that they are safe to put on your eyes. Give us a little more color payoff. Now that the candy cane's all on, I'm gonna outline it with my glitter eyeliner to really define its shape. Yay! I'm proud of that. Whoa, that was a journey. Wipe away that bake on this side. Definitely needed it over here for all that white eyeshadow mess. Holy crap. And then of course I have to add the other eyelash. Can I get both of them right? Here we go, we'll see. The looking down method works really well, everybody. All right, this one is not as beautiful as that one. I'm gonna do a little bit of finessing off camera. For the candy cane eye, I'm gonna do my waterline with green. I'm just popping it on that lower lash line. And of course, we cannot forget that little pop of glow in the inner corner. Great, yay! Alright, I went ahead and did my bronzer, highlight, and lipstick and final setting spray off camera since you've already seen me do that in my other videos, and if you haven't, please check my other videos out. I feel really great about it. This one is so much fun. I think this one is my favorite only because this one just took too long. I wonder if I had used a white eyeliner, I really do think it would have gone a little bit better for me. But it's still really fun, and I like the red and green, of course. But this is the showstopper, I think. I keep forgetting about my hand. Anyway, thank you again for choosing my video out of the millions and millions and millions of makeup videos that there are. It really means a lot. And I will hopefully see you for my next video. Maybe something even more festive.